Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can add an overlay to your videos in Clipchamp. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a Clipchamp project open. I have imported an image and a video, and I'll be explaining everything through these two things. Now, as you can see, I have imported them just by clicking here into import media, or just by dragging and dropping them into this field here. And now to add them to your workspace or to your timeline, all you need to do is click either the green pluses that arise when you hover over them with your mouse, or you can drag them and drop them with your mouse, or yeah, that's pretty much the only two things you can do. Now, if I drag the video and drop it here, as you can see, it appears in my timeline and it appears in my editing screen. And from here, I can do a couple different things. As you can see, I can resize the video to my liking. And if you're adding a, well, very big overlay where only one segment of the overlay is the video, you just resize it like this and drag it into its corresponding place. For demonstration's sake, I'll add this picture of a dog into the background, and if I right click, and there should be a layer option somewhere here, and for some reason I cannot find it. If I drag it below this, it might be behind. Let me just check. Yes. So the positioning of this image in the timeline, if it's below the video, it'll be behind it. If it's above the video, it will be, well, above it or in front of it. And when it comes to layers, the reason I right clicked, I got to use to canvas, so you'll forgive me for that. But yeah, as you can see, let's say that this image is a full screen image, and let me just zoom in the dog, and let's say that the white parts of the background are where the video is supposed to be. You just drag it here, and that's pretty much how you add an overlay. And yeah, you can do that in any way, shape, or form. You can even add a video in the background, with this small video being here. Again, the positioning here matters. If it's below the video that you want to be in the forefront, then it'll be behind it. If it's above it in the timeline, it'll be in front of it, and it'll obscure the video. And that's pretty much all there is about adding overlays. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.